Hey everyone, we are here at Thomas Edison's factory, which is pretty amazing. You see behind us, these are tons and tons of inventions that he has here. He had 1,093 patents. So the
The,
things that
the first sound studio in the world is just right down the hall there.
Yeah.
So most of these have to do with photography, making movies, and record playing, the little round cylinders and stuff.
So here's what I love about this is that he just kept thinking and creating, thinking and creating, thinking and creating. Like nothing stopped this man because he absolutely just loved creating. And I'm always amazed at how many things that get created in the world and how many more there are still to create. So for all you budding inventors out there, keep creating. Don't stop. This is amazing. Very, very inspiring.
And Edison wasn't about the money. In fact, he actually went broke uh, investing in I believe it was an ore mine in New Jersey. And but he would just go and he'd invent things and use all the proceeds from that invention to go on to his
inventing
next
more.
venture.
So with that, this is Catherine and Steve with Titan Impact Group. May you never awake from the American
Edison dream.
right?